Okay, so yeah, we lost. I'm not surprised. I said it last video. Yeah, new setup and everything. I don't have my laptop, so I editing this on my phone. The match still going on, about 20 minutes or so remaining, but we lose already. And some big talking points in this match. Should we should we have lost? Absolutely yes. Like we've been playing so, like even Arsenal play better than that. Arsenal. Like we're the new Manu. We're going through a Manu phase. By that I mean when Manu was dominating the league, well not dominating, but yeah, winning Champions League, and then Fergie left, and then they went down. That's what happening to Barca now. Um, First of all, that lineup was stupid. Why didn't Griezmann start? Why was Vidal just there alone? Why Roberto starting in midfield? Every time that happened, we lose. It's stupid. Semedo had a horrible game. Everyone had a horrible game. I don't see anyone with a decent game. I can't say the man of the match from Barca team because they're all garbage today. A lot of talking points. Why we passing the ball from the back? It's not working. Bayern pressuring us. We can't handle the pressure. Why we still doing it? It's like the 78th minute now, and we're still passing the ball out from the back. It's very stupid. The manager needs to say this, change tactic. We bring on Griezmann now, that don't make sense. And Ansu Fati, that's not going to change anything. We're out of the Champions League. We deserve to lose. Bayern was by far the better team, and I expected us to lose, but I didn't expect it to be this much. I think it's currently 5-2. Yeah, 10 minutes to go. Yeah, Barca not going to win anything until we change our board. Not even changing the manager not going to do anything, because we have the same stupid board that's not buying anyone that. Yeah, so as I'm saying, we have a stupid board. That's not changing anything. It's really hot where I'm right now, that's why I'm sweating this much. The board's not buying anyone. The players we are buying, we're not doing anything with them, and then they just depreciate, lose value. We can't afford anyone. Until we change the board, I expect this to be the new Barca. I'm very disappointed, but we'll move. I hope Bayern wins the Champions League because they're the best team right now. Lewandowski is on form. He deserves to win Ballon d'Or this year. I don't care whatever anybody say. He deserved to win it, and he just scored. It's 6-2. This team is funny. I'm not even upset. As I said, as I'm talking about Lewandowski, him getting goal. So yeah, him deserve to get Ballon d'Or. I don't know why them cancel Ballon d'Or this year. It's stupid. Barca just disappoint me. I'm not sad, I'm not angry, I'm just disappointed. Although I knew this was going to happen. Yeah. Why did we loan Coutinho? I don't know. Dembele injured or whatever. We don't know what about Dembele. What we need to change. First off, the board. Second, the manager. Third, stop having the player with so much power. One man shouldn't be able to control the team so much. Yes, you like playing with Vidal, but no. I was saying you like playing with Vidal, but he's not good enough for the team. Why did we sell Arthur and keep Vidal? That's absolutely garbage. My phone just telling me that it's 6:30. Yeah, too late for that. It was by far the worst performance of the season. We're still passing. We're still passing from the back. It's not like the player should be embarrassed. That's not a good performance. I'm just embarrassed. We're the new Manu. And that's not to say Manu is trash, but they are. But I'm saying Manu was decent. Fergie left and then down. That's what happening to us now. Since Enrique left, I haven't felt that Barcelona spirit. The players are not performing properly. I hope that's not in the background. Whatever, I don't care. So yeah, tomorrow is City versus Leon. Like how Barca out of this, I might just change it from Barca roundup to football roundup for the remaining of the Champions League. If you guys like this, I will be doing more. Just let me know by watching the video, like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube bullshit. Yeah, let me know what you thought of the performance in the comment. Did we deserve to lose that much? Yes, we did. Who is your man of the match? Who was the worst player? For me, the worst player after Semedo. No, Roberto. He was absolutely trash. That's why he got sub halftime. So man of the match, Davis, Alfonso Davis. That guy is talented. Like for the fifth goal, he just went around Semedo like it was nothing and passed the ball, and it was a goal. So that guy is nothing compared to our left back. I don't know what Alba doing. Messi missing from this match. Suarez is old. He needs to go. And it's 7-2. It's actually 7-2. It's embarrassed. That's it for this video. It might go up more. It might be 8-2 by the end of this, 9-2. Yeah, I'm just embarrassed. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm gone.